Think you're up to date by using your terminal and using sudo apt update? Yeah, you might want to think again. Come back in a second and I'll show you why. Welcome to the Drunk Linux User. I'm Len. I am the Drunk Linux User. And I ran across something the other day and I thought, well, maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe I'm hallucinating. Not that I hallucinate, but anything's possible, right? So what I did was I went to my terminal and I typed in the standard updates, which is sudo apt update, put in my password, and what you're seeing right here are the built-in repositories and the repositories that I've added as well. If you look down here towards the bottom where I've just highlighted, it says all packages are up to date. At this point, you'd probably be thinking, I'm good to go. We'll think again. We're going to go to Pop! OS, the Pop Shop, and we're going to let the package manager run. And it takes a couple seconds, but it doesn't take too long. Shows that there's something to upgrade. And if you click here, you'll see that there's 2 Flatpak components that need upgrades. This was not showing in this. I'm going to take a wild stab as to why this is, but I'm going to show you the other thing too. Since I am using Pop! OS with the KDE desktop, and they have their own package manager, it's called Discover. I'll bring that bad boy up, and it shows down here that I have 2 upgrades as well. These are the same 2 upgrades that you're going to find right here in the Pop Shop. Why is this maybe? I'm going to take a wild stab at it. I tried to find this online, but I'm just trying to think logically here, practically. And what I'm thinking is, since I have installed the Flatpak repositories within these package managers, that the package managers are looking for this, but the terminal is not. The terminal, I'm just taking a wild stab at it, because this was not installed maybe by the terminal, but it was installed through the package managers. They're showing what's actually needed to update. So, for example, in Discover, I just click Update All, and it goes through the process, and I'm done. And while that's working, I'm going to go over here back to the terminal, raise it up just a little bit so it's a little better defined. There is another way that you can check for updates in the terminal as well. It's sudo apt upgrade. And this again will show you that there's 0 to be upgraded, nothing installed, nothing to remove, and so on down the line, and 0 not upgraded. There is another command that you can put in here, especially if you want to try to upgrade your distribution. It's sudo apt dist, dist for distribution, upgrade, and it kind of gives you the same thing. So if you've been completely relying on your terminal for updates, you may want to look at your package managers. And let's go back and shut this down and bring up Pop! OS again, Pop Shops. Let it run through the check. You may want to check with your package manager before you just go ahead and think that you're good for the day. My recommendation, my theories, my God. All right, let's go ahead and leave this one with our words of wisdom. Don't drive drunk. Don't drink and drive. Don't go to eBay, Amazon, or use MS Edge shopping all buzzed up thinking you're going to buy the latest, greatest, and coolest stuff, because you're probably not. In the meantime, though, bottoms up. Later, dudes.